Okay, so we're going to replace the secondary auto sensor bank 2 on my Lexus 2004 Lexus GX470. So the sensor is here on the passenger side. This is your catalytic on the right side. Catalytic converter, it's after that. So yep, this is the one. Yep, so we're gonna remove that, and then there's a terminal over there. I think I got a P0057, which is like the heated oxygen sensor circuit failure. This is the part that I got from Amazon. It also has the anti-seize for this, which is actually copper base, which is pretty good. And yep, the wire is actually very short on this. Yeah, it's like $43, not that expensive. Yep. Yeah, let it soak with BB Blaster for a while. Yep. And I'm going to disconnect that terminal over there. So I got the sensor out. Time to replace with the new one. So checking the new one. Yeah, there's a difference between the number of holes, but they're pretty much the same. Yep, I'm going to put this anti-seize, and so got it coated with anti-seize. Yeah, you could use a 7/8 wrench to tighten this. Then once it's tightened, you could just plug this one in. Over here. Yep. So this one is down. Yep. And you should hear a click. Yep. And we're done. It's like less than 30 minutes. Then time to reset the code. So we're gonna clear the code with our auto scanner. I have it there. Okay, got the codes cleared. So we'll drive it around. See if it comes back, but it should be okay.